soundproof coating building a multi-dimensional noise reduction acoustic protection system. Product characteristics: the coating film is dense yet highly elastic. Constructing a multi-layer acoustic barrier structure. Can be directly applied to various substrates, achieving seamless acoustic coverage. Technical advantages: full frequency noise control. Provides targeted blocking of the main noise frequency range of 125 to 4000 Hz. With noise reduction exceeding 28 decibels. Typical applications: vibration damping and noise reduction for large equipment. Recording studios, broadcast rooms, sound barrier systems for elevated roads. Quiet environment creation for schools, libraries. Quality commitment. Utilizes intelligent dispersion technology production line to ensure uniform distribution of functional components. Provides precise sound insulation performance testing and treatment solutions. Contact now for customized soundproof solutions.